Every time you shop in Lee County, you're making an investment in our students. That's because of the Education Special Purpose Local Option Sales Tax, better known as ESPLOST.
In May of 2026, Lee County voters will have the opportunity to renew this 1 penny sales tax that directly supports school facilities, safety, and student learning across the entire Lee County school system.
ESPLOST is not new. It's a continuation of the current 1 cent educational sales tax, not an additional tax. This renewal allows our school system to plan responsibly, maintain safe facilities, and meet the growing needs of our students, all without raising property taxes. Our very first ESPLOST project was construction of this very building, Lee County Middle School West Campus. That was over 20 years ago. Since then, your 1 cent has accomplished a lot in Lee County.
Since then, for our students, we have been able to update playground equipment at Lee County Pre-K, Kitchafoonie Primary, Lee County Primary, Twin Oaks, and Lee County Elementary.
One of our most recent ESPLOST projects was the complete renovation of Lee County Primary School, including the addition of a brand new gym and media center.
We have also purchased band equipment, expanded Kitchafoonie Primary School and replaced the roof, built Twin Oaks Elementary School, renovated Lee County Middle East and the 9th grade campus, expanded Lee County High School to include a new band room and a larger cafeteria, purchased ag equipment, and laid down turf on our baseball and softball fields. And we cannot forget the 45 buses we have purchased to continue to get our students to and from school safely.
Everyone who shops in Lee County contributes to ESPLOST, including visitors, regardless of whether they live here or not. This approach helps fund major school projects without increasing property taxes.
1 penny, shared responsibility, lasting impact.
Quality schools that are safe and well maintained allow students to focus on learning. ESPLOST helps provide updated classrooms, technology, furniture, and learning resources, along with repairs like roof and heat and air replacements. These fiscally efficient investments directly support teaching, learning, and student success every day.
Quality school facilities support quality instruction.
And quality schools benefit everyone. ESPLOST supports projects like school renovations, playground and athletic facility repairs, parking lot resurfacing, and transportation needs, including buses and maintenance vehicles. Strong schools help prepare students for the future and support economic growth across the entire Lee County community.
If approved, the continued 1 cent ESPLOST would support a wide range of projects across the district, including expanded high school classrooms, career technical and agricultural education labs, new band equipment, a covered outdoor learning space, and updated technology to help students learn, grow, and prepare for what is next.
When you shop in Lee County, you are helping to invest in our future.
ESPLOST is about stewardship, planning, and investing wisely in the future of Lee County schools while potentially offsetting property tax. This renewal ensures that our schools remain strong, safe, and ready to serve students for years to come.
This year in May, Lee County voters will have an opportunity to continue supporting education through ESPLOST renewal.
1 penny, shared responsibility, lasting impact.
Your 1 cent makes a big impact.
Thank you, Lee County.